Grunt Boat Cleaner takes the grunt out of cleaning your boat. Nasty looking yellow-brown waterline stains, rust staining from fittings, birdlime staining, exhaust staining and other ingrained dirt on your boat are easily removed using Grunt Boat Cleaner. This boat had been moored beneath a steel foundry chimney for 15 years, subject to serious staining from steel production. But one simple application of Grunt has it looking like new again. Simply paint on, leave for up to 30 minutes while Grunt gently neutralises and absorbs the stains, and rinse. It really is that simple. Grunt Boat Cleaner takes the grunt out of cleaning your boat. Grunt Boat Cleaner contains no harsh oxalic, muratic or hydrochloric acids and is an environmentally responsible product.